Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Mazda CX-7 guys and your power windows do not work, we'll show you guys which fuses to check. You have actually two fuses, not just one, so stay with us guys, make sure to stay until the end to show you where they're located. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car. Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below guys. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you want to see other repairs as well. So let's go ahead and start on the problem now. So let me show you now how the windows do not work on this car. Okay, we're going to show you where to find the fuses guys. If it's not a fuse, it could be a bad window switch, and we have a video how to replace it. Turn the ignition on, and now if I try to move the windows, nothing happens guys, nothing at all. So what we will do, okay, we're going to remove the key, and the first fuse is located guys under the hood. So let me show you now. Okay, right here now, okay, we need to hold the camera like that. Right here there is one clip that you need to press up, then you need to slide this thing out. Okay, it needs to go to the front to come out of the fuse box. Okay, and pull it out, but it's a little bit tight guys, so it's not as easy to take it out. Okay, perfect. Now the fuse guys that we're looking at, actually it's a 30 amp fuse. Okay, and let me show you, it's that fuse guys right here. Okay, this fuse right here, and I'll show you guys when we remove it how to test those as well. It's very important because otherwise it's a little bit unclear if it's burnt or not. On regular fuses you can tell, but on the J case fuse you will need to check them to make sure. Now we'll guys have in the description of the video below where we get our replacement fuses and parts from for a really good price. Check it out. So how I usually remove that, okay, I gently go with two screwdrivers. If you have plastic ones it's better, but very gentle, not to crack or bend anything, because those things, they do get tight really bad. Okay, just pry a little bit. Okay, and eventually guys it will come out. Okay, like that. I'll go ahead, get the multimeter, and I'll show you guys how to test them now. So now I have a voltmeter guys. This is one of the best voltmeters on the market. If you're guys looking for one, check it out. It will be in the description of the video below. It has the true RMS, very accurate reader, and I'm going to set it to resistance and testing here. And if that fuse is good guys, it will be the same like touching these two together. Okay, it will go close to zero. Why? Because there will be communication between one post of the fuse to the other post. If it's burned, it will just stay like that and it will say that there is no connection. So what I do, I just touch each of the connectors of the fuse and I just measure it. Okay, this is one good fuse guys, as you can see. So our problem is not here. What else could be wrong? Now let me install this one. Don't forget to close your box, okay, because if you do guys, okay, you may lose it, or if you lose it, water can get in, humidity, dust. So always make sure you install your box. And now I'll show you guys what else we're doing. We need to come on the inside. Okay, and right here there is another fuse box. We're going to pull that cover out, pull it out, and now guys, okay, this is the other fuses for that car. You have big and small fuses, and all that guys you can check out in the description of the video below. This is for amazing price guys, so please check it out. I don't think you can get it for a better price. And right here now, okay, the fuse that we're looking at, counting the empty one on the left side, okay, 1 2 3 4, fuse number 4 guys, 15 amp fuse. Okay, I pull it out, and these guys, okay, this is one burnt fuse. Okay, you can see the element inside, it's burnt. You can test it with the meter if you want to, but ours is good. I'll get a replacement one, push it in. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this cover as well so I don't forget for later. I'll put the key in the car. Okay, and let's see if our windows now work. Yep, our windows work with no problem guys. So that definitely took care of the problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.